Hello everyone, this side Shubhangi Tiwari from Smart Step Classes, and we have come among you again to let you know how to take a smart step towards your overseas education dream. So guys, in this video we are going to talk and discuss and in detail about the entire application procedure, which is generally being done by the Pace University US. So you will get to know in this video what are the pre-preparations, what are the university proceedings, and once the third stage, that is post the admit, what are the procedures which you need to take care. So watch this video till end so that you can be updated with all the relevant informations before applying. So guys, talking about the Pace University, this is one of the top universities, public universities in USA, and they have a high range of programs in computer science. Now, if you are aspiring to complete your master's or the grad or the undergrad programs from US, PACE can be one of the choicest university for you. But it is important for you to know the entire procedure of the application so that you should be ready beforehand with all the documents which will be eventually required by the university. So talking about the pre-preparation. Pre-preparation includes all the document collection which your counselor is responsible to tell you that you would definitely be needing all these documents before applying. So the documents are, if you're applying for the masters or for grad, anyways, you need to have the IELTS score. Now, when I talk about the IELTS or TOEFL score, IELTS should be minimum no less than 6 band each, and overall score should be 6.5. Now talking about the TOEFL you can manage between 80 to 100. इसमें से कोई भी स्कोर आपका चलेगा, you will be eligible to apply. First is IELTS. Second document require your resume. Doesn't matter कि अगर आप मास्टर्स के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, then only resume is an important element to be added in your profile. However, even if you are applying for the bachelor's program, undergrad program, it is equally important to have a resume. But then question निकल के आता है, what should I add in my resume? So guys, whenever you are trying to portray your resume, it should absolutely be in the chronological order. It should be starting from the latest until go towards the later part of your life. So let's suppose if you're a graduate, always mention the work experience if you have any, and start mentioning the work experience from the top. So currently where you're working, mention it on the top, right? Your resume should be in the chronological order, and do not forget to mention all your achievements or the extracurricular activities, whatever you think makes you different from the other students. Do not afford to miss on mentioning any of the information during your making of resume. Next is your degree. Provisional degree would only help you to an extent. However, if you want to get an admit from the Pace University, it is advisory that you hold a proper degree from the university of your last passed out education. Second is the transcript is a must. So what is the difference between a transcript और the mark sheet? So generally अगर आप semester based system पे अपने college या university में enrolled हैं, so you must be getting the semester based mark sheet which is first, second, third, fourth, fifth and so on. But transcript can be considered as the consolidated mark sheet. This is one mark sheet which will have your all the details, all the marks starting from first semester till the end semester. So without consolidated mark sheet, you cannot afford to get yourself admitted into the particular university. These are the requirements which you need to have. ये documents आपके application process से पहले ready होने चाहिए. Now second element, that is punching of application. So generally the punching of application is done by your counselor itself, and it is always advisory to go through the counselor so that they can guide you on every bit and part information which is required for the education overseas process. So while punching the application, Pace University is one of the university which do not charge any application fees from the candidate. So it is a golden opportunity for you that you can save out some money on the application fees as well, right? Now punching of the application will include uploading all the documents and sending all the documents to the university, choosing the program, analyzing the fees. While the application is being punched, now thereafter you should immediately start working on your financial makeups, right? Now financial makeup involves the arrangement of the amount which is needed to show to the university for the grant of the I-20. लेट्स सपोज आपने सारा अपना डॉक्यूमेंट्स जो है वो यूनिवर्सिटी में अपलोड कर दिया है. नाउ द असेसमेंट डज नॉट गेट ओवर विद दिस स्टेप. देयर इज वन मोर स्टेप एंड दैट इन्वॉल्व्स sending two documents directly from the organization. One is your IELTS, so you need to report the E score of your IELTS or your TOEFL, and second is sending the LOR by the referees itself. Let's talk about the IELTS sending and TOEFL sending. So guys, as you know that IELTS is conducted by IDP and TOEFL is conducted by ETS, right? So once the university will reach out to you, they will give you the university code, which you need to give it to your respective exam taken organization, and you have to request them to send your scores electronically directly to the university. Now this is a scrutiny process, but this is a must process. This can never be skipped. So this is basically done to make sure that the sent score by the counselor belong to the student itself. Now second is the last step of the decision making involves the sending of the LORs. Now letter of recommendations, you have to ask your referees also to send it as and when university will request it. आपको login details दिए जाएंगे. You will have a portal login access to the Pace University's portal, and there you have to mention the name and detail of your referee. So always make sure, try to take the referee, try to mention the referees, those who are in good communications with you, so that you can anytime request them to reply to the mail of the university, so that your LORs can be second timely submitted absolutely well within time. Now once the admit has been given, the third stage. So third stage involves, guys, wherein you have to start preparing the documents for the release of I-20. If you are applying for the US, you have to make sure that I-20 is a must to have document, and without I-20 you would not be able to punch in your visa application. You cannot take the visa proceedings further, so it is important to get the I-20. मिनिमम I-20 रिलीज होने के लिए 7 to 21 days का टाइम लगता है. सो ऑलवेज बी वेरी श्योर दैट यू आर कीपिंग द गुड अमाउंट with you, so that you can get the final deliveries absolutely on time. So what to do for getting an I-20? There are two requirements which you need to fulfill. First is accepting your offer through the portal, and second involves in maintaining a bank account or bank statement which has the sufficient fund. So let's suppose अगर आप पेस यूनिवर्सिटी CSMS के लिए अप्लाई किया है आपने, so the minimum requirement that you will have to show is going to be somewhere around 40 lakh rupees in your account. US में ऐसा कोई प्रोसीजर नहीं होता है that you have to show the maturity of the amount. You don't need to do so, right? आपको बिल्कुल भी नहीं करना है वो. What you need to do actually is just to make sure that वो amount आपके account में है. Take a printout, take a statement, get it stamped and signed by the branch manager or the bank officer. And second, fill one financial guarantee form which is available on the PACE portal, or you can ask your counselor also to provide you with the same. You have to fill these two forms and send it to the university, and your I-20 will be received in 7 to 21 days of time. And thereafter, you're open to book for the visa slots and take the step of the fly high for your education's abroad dream. So guys, if you really want us to cover some more university process, if you have doubts in any of the university process, the scholarship, anything, please mention in the comment section so that we can cover the same topic and come up with our next video titling the same. And before going, don't forget to subscribe our channel and visit us at www.smartstepclasses.com.